Meira Paibis of Kurai took out torch march last night, demanding swift and decisive action against the drone bombings carried out by Kuki militants. The rally was marked by intense slogans and calls for justice, reflecting the community's deep dissatisfaction with the ongoing violence. Participants in the torch march expressed their frustration over what they described as war crimes, pointing out the urgent need for accountability and resolution. SKTV News brings you a report of eyewitnesses from Senjam, Chirang, providing details about the drone bombing.
Large numbers of Meira Paibis from Kurai gathered at Lamlong Market last night around 8 p.m. and took out a torch march, demanding immediate intervention from the central government. The protesters condemned the killing of civilians through drone strikes, labeling these attacks as war crimes. The demonstrators carried placards written, "Modi government's view on people of Manipur is unacceptable," and Kuki militants' action is also unacceptable. They shouted slogans throughout the march, expressing their growing frustration with both the central government's handling of the crisis and the actions of Kuki militants. The Meira Paibis voiced concern over the evolving tactics in the ongoing conflict, emphasizing the increasing seriousness of the situation.
The protest in Zeribizi, Maruina, Kuki narco terrorists, drone bombing, Tauraga, Akogi, Nupiang about the Lem Tarataba, seeing drone bombing, Habizi, Laiba Amaga, Lansona, but the season Agadaba Pony, Basida, BSF, CRPF, Bangar about the drone bombing, Tauraga, Kuki narco terrorists, my Tadokana Kotana Torize, the central government, to mean a lady, Karimarangi to mean a Libirino, action local Matam Oidriba, Lanzelepan Matam Oidriba, have the Adugi protest near Quena Toriz.
Misam akoi kai somta khangja da banupi sirakpa aduga akoi media gi coverage tawba chali bajing bom machena palaga soga leiriba aduga kaisu khangja da angang sing bo akoi nongmai maruna pan bodo akoi da pan da ju akoi thamoi da yamna pin da ba ma ga loina akoi ngasi kholaw je mayam punna lawja gen akoi tholakpani nupi ma lekhida ba je mafam aduda adumaina leitriba nupi tumaina nupi kaya mama nupa khungai ba nupa kaya ma akoi Manipur da iram dam sigi akoi ngasi kaina bagi maisak akoi da kayam phaugi dori gi haibagi pin da bagi kholaw du ga loina akoi ngasi khurai gi oina Meira Paibis na ngasi amato oina hongnar ka akoi ngasi kholaw si lawmina se ana akoi mafam da thoksarakpani masigom laba attack torokpa se akoi gi sarkar na tumina leiba se akoi praja mo ina yazani de loina na sigum ba se akoi gi state government na center da taksan mirakanda akoi gi drone bombing da senari basing Atuba matam da dandi pigadamni senak pigadabani aduga kurkin darko terrorist indu Manipur gi maru phana muthakka dagani aduga sigoma misi manaji makhata na thok jana bagi dam ta koi sarkar na achetpa khongphang do lepiu haidana koi ngasi Meira Paibis na amato ina kholawa se koi laujabane.
Meanwhile, the recent drone bombing carried out by Kuki militants at Kautrok, Senjam, Chirang and nearby hill ranges is similar to the drone attack witnessed in Russia and Ukraine war, with targets to kill civilians. The attack has drawn significant attention, leading to widespread discussions in national media, focusing on implications for international political relations. Locals expressed dissatisfaction over the silence of India and Manipur government, even after drone strikes are carried out on Central Forces bunker. A resident of Senjam, Chirang, who witnessed the drone bombing, appealed to the authority concerned to protect the people and spoke in detail about the incident.
Narangi Taudoksi Mokoina, Kuki Singna drone Taurega, bombs hapaga, fit Taurega Mafam Sidays, Aikoi, Tanarpani, Tanarpatigi, Aigi Sanupiema, Masi, Puktopale, Legend Sangin Topategi, Sang laying at that bomb to Tarpategi, the Mang on the Pandana, Masing Arang, Numituda, Operation Numitang to the Taure. Adegi Inaunipa Jotin Haidana, Amasu Magi, Yumatak Tare. Yumatak Sidagi, Palerga, Boomsina, Pokara Padagi, Haidorpa, Marusina, Palang, the Paurega, Magi, Mayanglen, Waitamba, Legum Sigita, Pale, Adagiri, Kunam Sita Karaswe. Imung Sidagi, so is a Amasu Kara, say. Aigi, Sangon Sida Tari Basina, Amu, Sangon Sidagi, Haidopa Maruduna, San Seswe, Aduga Amu, Yum Karikari, Amama Haidopa Sing, Yum Naki, Karamba Sing. Loina Swe, Tin Massage data, Ayamba, Loina Sopo, or Anna, Equina, Mafam Sidesida, Yumwin lady see, Yamna Wabamon da Haibtare, Equigi, Pibamsi, Yamna, Sadabamon Cookie Singi Etexi, Mokin drone, Etector Panina, Bomb, Pitoraga, Mafam Sida Lakpanin, Equina soup, Upaisu Lataba, Aduga, ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅꯁꯨ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯀꯔꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯌꯥꯕꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯈꯟꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯁꯨ ꯎꯄꯥꯏ ꯂꯩꯇꯕ ꯃꯑꯣꯡꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯂꯩꯕ